How to send disappearing photos and videos on Instagram in 2021. Now that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video, so let's get started right away. Firstly, what you have to do is you have to go to your chat section by scrolling from the right to left, and then you can open any of the chats that you want to send the disappearing photos. Let's see, I open this chat, and then you have to click on the camera icon in the bottom left corner. So firstly click on the camera icon, and then you open this page, and then you have to click on the gallery. You can choose photo from gallery, or you can also take a photo. So let's see, I choose this photo, and then you can choose you can type the allow replay. You can see the in the most bottom of this page this profile picture of the username with view once. You can also choose the allow replay. View once means if the viewer username view this post, then it will disappear. Allow replay, it means the viewers can watch these photos and video again and keep in chat. It means it is kept in chat. So you can choose, you have to choose view once, and then click on the send button, and here you can see the this photo is sent here. So that's basically it, that how you can send disappearing photos and video on Instagram. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, like on this video, and comment below that it works. I appreciate that.